What's up, business partners? Happy Saturday. My name's Chris Carney with the Ross Group at Intercoastal Mortgage, and we are here to help you this weekend. Applications are up and interest rates are up too, but things are very competitive right now in most areas outside of DC. Certain areas of DC are always competitive as well. But things are really heating up in the spring market here. So one thing that we're making sure that we do every single time is a soft pull for your client. So when someone applies, we do a soft pull for them. This is great because they don't get spam calls. They don't get the credit bureau selling their information completely private. And also their score is not impacted. So no negative impact whatsoever on the soft pull. Let's get your folks ready for the weekend. We are around this weekend, right, buddy?
Yeah.
We're around this weekend to help. So give me a call. My number is 703-346-4119. I am with the Ross Group. We are here all weekend long. And remember, the Ross Group is always working together to serve you better. Thanks.